Alrighty, now I normally show videos to Patreon first for the first 3 days before I share them with you guys, but today is a special occasion. I am helping promote a channel that's just started up. CJ from Drinkum Brews, I'll put a link up here, or down here, sorry. He's just finished interviewing me. He did the Homebrew Network, Gavin, last week, and he's a really good upcoming YouTuber who I think is going to come a long way very quickly. So have a look at him, support him, see if you can give him a bit of love over there. Anyway, the other thing, as you saw at the start, is my Pulp Addiction all grain beer that I'm doing a tasting on today to let you know what it tastes like and smells like, and I hope, for your sake, if you're going to brew it, that I'm happy with it. Nah, I'm kidding. My opinion does not matter. I'm not a connoisseur of beer brewing. I just like what I like to taste. All right. Now, if you remember, I'll put a link here for the actual video. If you remember, I added a essence, a citrus essence. So this is Pulp Addiction Citrus IPA from Kegland, yeah. And I had fun making it, and I've had some comments on it. People saying I don't know how to brew, but they can go blow it out. They're proverbial. This beer's phenomenal. I'm getting a caramel smell, right? Getting citrus, caramelly smell, and it's just beautiful. It's not highly carbonated, which I don't mind. It's easy to down. It's 5.5%, I believe. And it came out really good. It's just a beautiful caramelly smell. I'm just really loving that. And of course the citrus taste and smell as well. I put a lot of hops in this, as you know, if you've watched the video. And mouth's watering. It's getting ready. Let's taste it, shall we? Oh, so swish it out. Oh, yeah, carbonation's there for sure. It's dropping the head pretty quick, as you can tell. It's probably because of the essence I put in, maybe, I'm thinking. But what I can smell is caramel, sweetness, but it's not sweetness, it's bitter on the tongue, and it's not overly sweet at all. It's very tasty, to be honest. It's got a nice little tannin flavour, and I've got a lot of citrus flavour. So that's really coming through as almost like a, what do they call that? Hot burn flavour. But the hot burn's gone, if that makes sense. Anyway, it's really good. It's clean. It's very tasty. Very palatable. Very nice. Smooth on the tongue. Well, not really, actually. It's bitey on the tongue at first because of the bitterness in it. But as it goes, it smooths out and it gets creamy flavour on the back of the tongue. On top of the tongue, sorry. It's very, very nice. What I can taste is the essence that was put in. Now, I can't smell it. Funny enough, I can't smell it at all, but I can taste it. It's there. It's really nice, and I didn't think it would come through, but it actually is coming through nicely. This is very easy to drink, I can tell you. Look how quickly I'm going through it. Yeah, so that's a really, really phenomenal beer. All grain, and I'm really glad I made it. It came out really good. My beers are tasting good, and I believe a good beer is a beer you like. Nothing more, nothing less. Bloody awesome. Anyway, reason why I popped up today is... just a quick video for today is CJ from Drinkum Beers or Drinkum Brews had given me a bit of an interview not long ago, and he's sharing the video today for you to see, and I thought you might want to have a look at that. Once it's popped up, I'll pop a link up here to let you know where it is. Now, CJ is a new YouTuber out there who has experience with the microphone. And he's learning how to video and film his own brews. And he's an upcoming smart fella, knowing how to promote products that get on board with companies. So keep your eye out for him. Good brewer, new at it, and I think he can do with a lot of advice, but he's very quick to pick up. And another thing I need to talk to you about is my channel. My channel is, well, actually, not long ago I was starting to consider holding back, not doing any more videos, because it's a lot of work, absolute smash ton of work, I can tell you. And editing is hard too. I do all my own videoing and my own editing. You probably noticed that, the amateurism of it. It's very humid here, I'm sweating, sorry. I'm now on board with a couple of companies who promote extract brewing. And of course, you know, this channel is an extract brewing channel mainly. And I like to show people how I do my extracts and show you how I do it properly in a way. And I always seem to get a pretty good result. There's been a couple of ones just recently that haven't turned out well, but it's not this company, to be honest. It's not this company. They are on board big time. There's going to be giveaways, there's going to be promotions, and some great information. So stick around for that. If you're interested, stick around. There will be some major videos coming up very soon. I have a Kanban calendar by Carwyn Sellers. That is not getting videoed on this channel. Well, I'm actually going to share that on Instagram. So if you want to follow this channel on Instagram to see what I think of the Kanban calendar as I open it every single day and film it and show, that'll be on there if you're interested, as well as Facebook as well. I'm going to share it on both platforms. So I am on Facebook. So if you'd like to pop in there, Simple Home Brew, Facebook, it's easy to find. And I also have Simple Home Brew Group, which has over 30,000 members, and they're growing as well. So guys, the channel is going well for what it is, and I think I should stick it out until things start getting better, because at the moment the algorithm's not working well. I was at 120 subscribers recently per month, and then I dropped down to 30, and I was watching some of the bigger channels out there who are growing similar to mine, and they're around 30 and 40, and I'm thinking, wow, it's not just me. And I always thought that I was doing something wrong. It's not actually what that is. I'm doing quite well for what I do, and I really appreciate your watching this channel. So if you haven't subscribed to Simple Home Brew, this is probably the best time for you to do it. I've got giveaways coming up. I've got live streams. I've got all kinds of videos happening. This will happen in the new year. If you're interested, get on board, subscribe, get on my Patreon. Send me some funds that cost less than $1 or cost $1 to fund my channel per month. Bugger all. And that's minimum. You can actually donate more if you'd like. But that money goes a long way to brewing these kind of beers and showing people what I do. All right, guys, I've harped on long enough. Thank you very much for watching Simple Home Brew. Thank you for checking out CJ and his Fair Drinkum Brews channel. And we will see you in the next brew. Cheers. No, I couldn't do it.